Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Discord. So first open up your Discord, then go to your settings tab, enter your password, press continue. And after that, just install one of the mentioned app from your Play Store or Apple Store. So for more details, now I will show you my phone screen. As you can see, I have downloaded Google Authenticator in Play Store. So now you can just simply open, and then after reaching this page, just click on scan QR code. And then just scan the QR code on Discord and just enter the code. As you can see now, two-factor authentication has been activated. And now if you want to enable SMS authentication, you can also do that by just clicking on enable SMS authentication, and after that enter your password and then press continue, and that's it. SMS authentication has also been enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.